Hi guys, thanks for joining me today here on my channel. I hope you're doing great. If you want to see how I got this look using the new Zodiac Collection from ColourPop, then stay tuned. Okay, so if I seem hot and sweaty, it's because it's so hot in this room and I can't have the air on because it makes a little too much noise. So, okay, so I have my face pretty much done and my eyes, my eyebrows are on and I have primed my eyes. So I'm really wanting to play with the ColourPop Supernova Shadow. I got this one in this shade Astrology from Kathleenlights. And so I thought this would look super pretty with what I'm wearing today. And I want to have it go play off of maybe the browns in her palette. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with this first. Just to kind of get an idea of what it looks like and how pigmented it is and all that good stuff. I've never used the Supernovas from ColourPop. Of course I have a ton of the Stila, and I think everyone obviously is going to compare this kind of thing to the Stilas, but for a fraction of the price you can get these. So let's see how they hold up. Sometimes it's worth it and sometimes it's not. So let's see what we come up with here. Okay, so I felt like I had to apply that a little more than the Stilas, but like I said, for the price, you know, I don't think it's that big of a deal. To me, it would be more about how it wears. This is the liquid form of her telepathy that she had in the Super Shock Shadows, which that one's one of my favorite colors because it's so unique. So when I saw she came out with this one, I wanted to try it. See, I feel like I have to build it up a little more than I would maybe the Stila. Okay, I'm going to let that dry for a second with my eyes closed. Okay, now I'm going to go into the Zodiac palette, and I'm going to take a small brush, maybe something like this, like a small crease brush, because I want to have a lot of control of where I'm placing things for right now. So I'm going to go in with the medium brown, yeah, the medium brown. See, something like that is what I was kind of debating on. Okay, now I'm going to take the Virgo, which is a little darker, and I'm going to work that on the outer corner. Now I'm going to get a fluffier brush and go in with that medium brown again and just go over the corners of everything. I want to just make sure everything seems cohesive. And I'm going to take that same brush and go on the bottom lash line with the medium brown. And then the smaller brush with the darker brown. Closer to the lash line. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara and lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my lashes. Today I used the House of Lashes Sephora Collection Timeless. Put a black in my waterline. What else did I do? Oh, I put the shade, the Gemini, in my inner corner. And then my lips today, I used Ofra's Charmed, and then I thought it was a little too pink, so then I added Dose of Colors over the top. So, I think it turned out great. I love that color. That color, back when it was a Super Shock Shadow, it absolutely, I loved it because it had that little tinge of green to it, that little tinge of like a lime chartreuse color, and I loved it. I will say that I find you have to work with this one a little more than maybe the Stila. So it's just up to you if you think the price versus the time and the, you know, the building up and the babysitting of it is worth it to you. It's totally up to you. But this color, which is Astrology, is so cool. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this and got to play with a little bit of new makeup. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.